Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right, in Audacity, click Audio Setup, Host, and then choose MME. MME is the default and usually works just fine in most cases. However, Windows Direct Sound is set to reduce latency if that's something you're experiencing. Playback device, aka output, should be set to your audio interface. Again, if you don't have an interface and your headphones or speakers are plugged directly into your computer, refer back to the previous video. Recording device, aka input, should be set to your audio interface or microphone if you have a USB mic. Recording channels should be set to mono unless otherwise stated by the client, agent, or anyone involved in the project. Click Audio Settings and ensure that your project's sample rate and default sample rate are set to 48,000 Hz and that your default sample format, aka bit depth, is set to 24-bit.